Hi, this is your friend Brandon over at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Somerset 2 that we have sitting here on the lot right now. This is the first thing you notice in the living room is how much natural light you get. So we get that from the transient windows up at the top here. The next thing, the flooring. It pops. It is hand-laid polyurethane tiles. They're warranted for 15 years and they are built to last. Up above me, you've got a coffered ceiling. Typically an upgrade like this would cost around $2,000, but in this home, it's packaged in so you don't have to pay a cent for it. The other thing that it does, apart from save you money and give you value, is look at the colors. You have the 3 different colors that play and give the home dimension. So when we walk over here to the kitchen, the first thing you notice is this big, brazen, beautiful island. The second thing you notice on the island is this backsplash. If anybody has ever tried to do backsplash or paid to have it done, you know it is not cheap. The backsplash also matches in the kitchen over here. Speaking of the kitchen, the appliance package comes with it as well. So you have your stainless fridge, you have your stainless stove, you have your dishwasher, obviously, and you have your microwave, which is up over the stove to save valuable counter space and to keep it from being an eyesore. Now, walking back over, of course, everybody loves a dishwasher. It's all about convenience, and whenever we leave those things around a little too long, pop them in and sanitize. Looking right here, you have the farmhouse style sink along with the gorgeous upgraded faucet. Again, comes standard in this home. The island holds a nice little secret right here. You have power, so you can, between this and the overhang on the other side here, you can pretty well use your island for whatever it is, between seating, a prep area, a coffee spot, however you want to do it. You can make it yours. Now, when you look at this wall over here in the dining room, you have the board right here that divides it. It is two-tone paint, and it is absolutely stunning. When we come back over here, you see our dual windows. So again, letting in a lot of natural light. These are vinyl windows. They're very energy efficient. In fact, it's been pretty hot here lately. You can put your hand on the windows and they are not anywhere near as warm as you would think. Those dual pane, vinyl, amazing. They keep you comfortable and they save you money. Oh, look at that. These are cordless shades. They're 2-inch, so you let plenty of light in when you want, or you keep it out. But the cordless is all about safety. No cords hanging, no trouble. So when we come over here and look at the master bedroom, so right over here, all right, in this room, number 1, we show it with a queen size bed. So this is a nice big room. You have plenty of space for whatever you need, whatever furniture you have, and a nice little seating area. Up above, the beautiful molding, okay? That's gonna come standard through all of the rooms. And right here, you have your switch for your ceiling fan. You've got 3 different levels of fan, and of course, on and off for the light. When we walk in here, it's a walk-in closet with a light. You have wooden shelving that comes standard with it. And there is plenty of room in here. I could almost stick a cot in here and go to sleep. When you come into the bathroom, the master bathroom, the first thing you notice is the fancy word is dual china lavies, but really, you and I might call it a his and her sink. But look at all of the counter space. There is a ton. It's absolutely gorgeous with the black stainless steel. Really brings it all together and makes it pop with the white and the black and this countertop. Now, looking over on the other side, how many counters have you seen that are cluttered with makeup, shaving stuff, whatever we have. We all have a lot of stuff, cologne. Right here, you can get ready at your vanity and saves counter space, saves clutter. Now, the star of the show, by far, is right back in here. I can't touch the walls. And you have 2 shower heads. It's a dual system. You have one right here, and there's another right down here hidden. So you can operate these independently. You can have warm and cold and have the perfect mix. Now when we step back over here and head back to the living room, I just want to let you know this home comes in 3 different configurations. So what we show here is a 32 by 52, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We also have it in a 32 by 60, which is a 4-bedroom. And then we have a 32 by 76, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 living area. So we can build this home to meet your needs, no problem. Give me a call if you want to walk it. Give me a call if you have a question about it, or shoot me a text if you can't call. My phone number is 325-268-0930. Have a great day.